we're gonna make the fish salad. And we have 3 octopuses. This is one of the bigger ones.
Your fishmonger?
Yeah. Who's like,
Lewis, your fishmonger?
yes. So he weighs this, he tickets it, and then puts like 2 more in there.
Come on!
Yeah, like what am I gonna do with them all?
It's already been cleaned. The eyeballs have been taken out. The squid ink has been taken out. I mean the ink. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to tenderize it by beating it. We're going to beat the boop, is what it's called. And we're going to beat each tentacle. All right, so let's get started. I have my mallet. So we flipped it over so you can see it a little bit better. And you can really feel the muscles relaxing. That's it, right?
Yep. All right, so then hot boiling water, put some sea salt. Done.
Okay, so we're going to put in 2 different corks to help tenderize the octopus into the boiling water. And now we're going to take the octopus.
Wait, let me take a picture of this.
Shh. Now we're going to take the octopus and you dip it once. You can see it curl up twice. And 3 times.
Beautiful. Shall you beat this already, right?
Uh-huh. Does it not feel beat?
No, it feels dead. Yeah, it's good. You feel it, like you
Yeah,
said.
you know, you do. You can feel the muscles relax.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
kind of gross, but true.
Where do these things usually swim?
With the fishes. All right, the calamari was in tubes. We cleaned it, took the fin out, wiped it clean, and then cut it into
Rings.
ring.
We're going to pour it into salt water.
Go slow so we don't splash. Those don't take long.
How long does it take?
3 to 5 minutes. And then in the meantime, we
This boiled for the octopus boiled for 7 minutes
and cooled.
in the window. We cut up a bit here, and now I'm going to finish cutting up the last few tentacles.
So here's the squingili, and we're just cleaning it up a little bit so that we could dice it and put it in the salad.
Did I do this right?
Yep. This is clean already though. There's no horn. Usually there's a horn
Oh, that's right.
that you gotta gut it out and it's dirty, but this is clean, so this is good. That's why it was $25 a pound. Cut the tip. Put the tip in here and the other one in there. Good. The tip, which is a little bit tender, more tender, will go in here for the fish salad. And then this squingili, we're gonna cook it in red sauce later. The tips are the white part, a little tender. If they're a bigger tip, you just kind of cut it. And then this we're gonna slice, it's gonna wind up looking like this. And it's gonna go over biscuits in the sauce. See, this is the tip. Calamari takes a little bit longer than the shrimp. So now, the shrimp, calamari, and we're good. Let's let this boil up real good.
This is how we're gonna make cracked olives.
Yeah, just smash them. Every year, critique. And last year, I specifically remember that somebody made mention that the celery was too thick. It might have been me, but we're gonna cut it a little bit smaller this year.